Hello students, we are going to take up the name reactions from the chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. Right, so we first take up the Finkelstein reaction and Swarts reaction. In Finkelstein and Swarts reaction, chloride which is attached to alkyl gets replaced with fluoride, bromide or iodide. Now in Finkelstein reaction, chloride gets replaced with iodide or it gets replaced with bromide using acetone. So you're going to get RBr plus sodium bromide, right? So if you have taken CH3Cl and you want to replace this with sodium iodide, you want CH3I, right? So what you have to do is you have to take sodium iodide in presence of acetone. So this sodium will combine with chloride and you will get sodium chloride along with formation of sodium iodide, right? Now if you want to replace this CH3Cl, right, you want to replace Cl with fluoro. So if you want CH3F, in that case you need to take silver fluoride. So when you take silver fluoride, this silver combines with chloride and it forms silver chloride along with formation of fluoromethane. Is this clear? So these are the two important name reactions. Next we talk about Hunt's-Diecker reaction. In Hunt's-Diecker reaction, this is actually used for step down reaction. Step down means decrease in carbon. So if you take any silver salt, right? So if you take say CH3COO, right? So this is what? Silver ethanoate, right? Or silver acetate. And when this combines with bromine, right? Now for bromine you need to have medium. The medium is carbon tetrachloride. So what will happen? One of the bromide combines with silver to form silver bromide, right? This carboxylic acid gets removed in form of carbon dioxide and you get CH3 and Br from here, CH3Br. Okay, so the reaction is CH3COOAg plus bromide, right? In presence of carbon tetrachloride, you get CH3COOA, right? You get CH3. Now COO is converted into carbon dioxide, right? Ag is converted into AgBr and this CH3COO gets attached with bromide, so you get CH3Br. Is this clear? Then next we talk about Wurtz reaction. In Wurtz reaction we actually elongate the carbon chain. So if you have to elongate, you have to increase the carbon chain just by double. Okay, so if you have taken one carbon, so it will become a 2 carbon. If you have taken 2 carbon, it will become 4 carbon. So this is actually duplication. So if you take say CH3Cl, combine this with another molecule of CH3Cl and you drop sodium metal in presence of ether. Condition has to be dry. Why? Because remember children, wherever we are using sodium metal, since sodium metal is reactive, so what you have to do is you have to use ether as the medium. So this is going to form sodium chloride, right? And you will get CH3CH3. So one carbon is converted into 2 carbon alkane member. Okay, next we talk about Sandmeyer reaction. In Sandmeyer and Gattermann, these two are almost similar reactions, right? There is only difference in the reagent. Okay, so when we take Sandmeyer reaction, we actually use cuprous chloride. So what will happen? You take C6H5N2Cl. So you have taken what? Benzene disonium chloride. On treating this with cuprous chloride, nitrogen gets released. You get C6H5Cl, right? Sorry. Then if you take Gattermann reaction, then in this case you need cuprous copper and you take hydrogen chloride. So copper and hydrogen chloride here, whereas in Sandmeyer this is cuprous chloride. So this is the difference. Again here C6H5 N2Cl. So nitrogen is removed and you get a chloro derivative. Okay. Then we next come to Fittig reaction. Now in Fittig reaction, what do we do? Fittig reaction is actually with aromatics. So in Fittig reaction we take aromatic halide, say C6H5Cl, C6H5Cl, and treat this with sodium metal again in dry condition. So what will happen? You will have sodium chloride and you will get biphenyl C6H5 C6H5. Okay. So this is Fittig reaction. When we take up Wurtz Fittig reaction, then in Wurtz Fittig reaction we are actually what? We are actually combining the two reactions. We have taken Wurtz reaction, right? Look here, this is the Wurtz reaction. In Wurtz reaction we have taken the aliphatic halides, right? And in Fittig reaction we have taken what? The aromatic halides. And when it is Wurtz Fittig reaction, then it is combination. So one of the halide is aromatic, so it is C6H5, right, Cl, and the second one is CH3Cl. Remember, both have to be chloro when you drop sodium metal in presence of ether. So when it is Wurtz Fittig, Wurtz and Fittig, one has to be aromatic, the other one has to be aliphatic. Again you will get sodium, right, chloride to sodium chloride, and the product will be C6H5CH3. So these were the named reactions from chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. Children, do like and subscribe my channel and would be happy to see comments. These are important named reactions likely to come in MCQ part and fill in the blank or reason assertion, right? So practice them well. Thank you.